Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the fundamentals are already in place, and then start the sync. Sign into the same Apple ID and enable iCloud Drive and relevant app toggles. This ensures the server sees every device. Once done, connect to a fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi or Ethernet for maximum throughput, and plug in power so transfers aren't throttled. Make sure photos, contacts, and files are selected to sync. These actions trigger the initial handshake and begin data transfer immediately. Once the sync starts, focus on removing bottlenecks and prioritizing the data you need. Check iCloud storage and delete redundant backups, or offload large mail and iCloud Drive items to free space. Low quota slows uploads. Then choose which folders or albums to sync first, or manually upload very large files rather than queuing everything. Make sure background app refresh and other apps are limited so bandwidth concentrates on iCloud. Doing this reduces queuing and speeds the effective sync rate. You finish by confirming everything landed and handling any stalls. Check last updated timestamps in iCloud settings and review conflict alerts so you know what synced successfully. If a device hangs for more than 10 minutes, sign out of iCloud and sign back in or restart the device to force a resync. This clears stalled transfers. If problems persist, reset network settings, verify Apple system status for outages, and then contact Apple support with logs. That single troubleshooting step resolves most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.